1, 2, about 3 peas per pod. So I'm not gonna get that many pods. This pea was a dwarf. I don't think it's done, but I didn't find a way to trellis it that I think is, you know, smart to do. Thought I'd get more out of them. And honestly, like, I'm tempted to let this one kind of go and then vine. I like what I got out of them, and sometimes it's just time to move on. So that is not a lot of peas. I've got a bunch of new stuff that I want to put in. I've got some rocket as well, and there's rocket here. You can see I'm gonna have to harvest it. Some of it went to flower, and some of it is, I needed to harvest the rocket. I put these arugula too close together, and I think it stopped everyone from doing anything. All right, so it's time to move into the next phase of this bed. That's a nice size. This one I think was getting a little woody, but that's a really nice size. Nothing. That one I'm gonna compost. Let's see, this one seemed to be getting a little woody, so I'm gonna have to taste this one. Radish tops and peas. It could have been better, and in a lot of ways, I think maybe I put them too close together. But it's a very small space in the greenhouse. So the fact that I'm gonna get like a nice pesto out of this and eat that tonight and have something healthy for dinner, it's exciting.